If you're up early, you may have seen some lightning off in the distance. I saw a little bit, Dia saw a little bit on the way into work. There were a couple of storms around and they're gone. Max Track just showing returns up over Indiana. That's where it washed out over northern Kentucky. There was a flash flood warning out for Owenton, northern Owen County there for a couple of hours. That's since expired. So all the activities is back across Indiana and back through Illinois. Notice where the severe threat is today. There's a marginal risk that runs from upstate New York all the way down through Nashville, and it does include parts of the viewing area. A few of the storms that fire up, especially into the afternoon and early evening, could be on the strong side and throw some damaging wind gusts. But I think the bigger threat, and it'll remain the bigger threat going into the weekend, is the potential for heavy rain. This is the excessive rainfall outlook, where you can see some of the heaviest rain. Now, at least for southeastern Kentucky, there's a hint of good news here. You're only in a marginal risk for excessive rainfall. We've got a slight risk kind of running this corridor. And this is really where these storms are going to be running. They're going to fire and then just kind of drift off to the north-northeast along the Ohio River Valley, back through parts of the Bluegrass. And then possibly the coverage will be a little more sparse southeast. This shows precipitable water, which essentially is a measure of how much moisture we're working with in the atmosphere. You take all the water vapor, condense it, wring it out, and you get this measure of upwards of 1 to 2 inches. 2 inches or more is what we're looking at west. That doesn't mean that's how much rain you're going to pick up. That just means how much moisture you have to work with. Higher moisture content, high moisture content in the atmosphere. And notice how this moisture just continues to stream across the Commonwealth and out to the west. So some of the highest will be just off to our west, I-65, and then working its way toward the Bluegrass tomorrow, which means these storms, as they fire, have a lot of moisture to tap into. So they'll be loaded. They're not going to be moving all that fast, but at least they will be moving. And again, north-northeast, you can see more widespread coverage west with it spottier southeast. Good news for our southeastern Kentucky neighbors still recovering from last week. But we'll have additional rounds of it. It'll die down and then it'll fire back up again tomorrow. Scattered showers and storms. So we could get into a situation over a couple of days. These torrential rain-producing storms could start to lead to some localized flash flooding. So we will need to watch out for that. It's hit or miss enough and spread out over enough days that we don't have a watch-in effect or anything like that. But amounts could range between hardly anything upwards of a couple of inches. And this shows through Saturday. So some of that rain could be pretty heavy. It's 72 degrees in Lexington. We've got dew points in the 60s, so it's muggy. The heat index, this is showing you what it'll be like into the afternoon, in the mid to upper 90s. So that's not heat advisory criteria. You've got to get up into the triple digits for that. But we still have a heat advisory in effect for those southeastern counties like yesterday. It goes through this evening because a lot of folks are still without power down there, although it's only down to 3 counties, Breathitt, Knott, and Perry without power. Some customers still without power. Recovery in this kind of weather, this high heat and humidity, can be hazardous. So, in addition just to the general hazards of the flood damage, the workers out in this got to take it easy because we're going to stay hot and humid into the weekend. Now, the rain chance really gets going this afternoon, will likely diminish a bit over the evening and then continue into tomorrow. So we're not going to see a whole lot of change in this overall pattern anytime soon. We'll see scattered showers and storms persisting into the weekend. There are hints that we may have a cold front trying to drop in around Tuesday, Wednesday next week. That may spike the rain chance, but hopefully finally break this pattern as well.